Welcome back here with us on Times Now. Viewers, is there going to be an end to Karnataka power tussle very soon? The Kissa Kursi ka that we keep seeing again and again, between DK Shivkumar and the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Why we are saying it today is because of the latest statement that has now come in from a minister in Karnataka. We're talking about Satish Jarkioli, who has in fact added a new twist to the entire story. And what he has said is very, very significant because his remarks have reignited speculation on this particular issue. Congress leader Satish Jarkioli in fact has hinted at possible discussions in the national capital. He has said that the curtains will soon fall on the ongoing leadership tussle in Karnataka. Listen in.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅದು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಸ್ತಾರೆ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ಯರ್ಥ ಇದ್ದು ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತೆರೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಿದ್ದು ಬಹುಶಃ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಸ್ಬೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋಂಥ ವಿಚಾರ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತಿಮ ಒಂದು ರೂಪ ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Let's go across to my colleague Neha Hebale, who is joining us on the broadcast right now for more on this. Neha, it's a rather interesting statement that has come from Mr. Satish Jarkioli, Karnataka minister there. He's expecting curtains to fall on the leadership issue very soon. Is there going to be a meeting in the national capital as he is hinting at?
Well, Hina, it's just been dates after dates that have been coming from, of course, sources within the Congress party. While what was initially termed to be after 2.5 years, a leadership change has now almost, of course, passed by to closely about, to nearly about 3 years or so. And now, of course, the latest that we heard, the buzz from within the party was that after the elections in the state of Tamil Nadu, Assam, West Bengal, and of course the others that took place, that there would be a call that would be taken on this. However, of course, given that the Congress High Command has still not clearly communicated a date or if at all there's going to be any kind of leadership change, various ministers, senior leaders and MLAs within the party have been making statements now that likely both leaders would be summoned to Delhi, and after which a call would be taken after consulting with all of the MLAs and senior leaders.
Right. Neha, stay on with us. We have more political reactions lined up as far as the story is concerned. Let's listen in.
ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬಯಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವರೇ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಮುಂದೆ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಏನೋ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆದರೆ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರೇ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋರು ನಾವು.
Whoever has said this in the BJP, we welcome them to join us. We can hire a Volvo bus for them and we can take them to Karnataka and every village of Karnataka to be able to learn from the Congress party. This is how promises are honored. This is the 3rd year celebration. We'll also celebrate the 10th year celebration.
Let's go back to Neha, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Neha, you said very interestingly that so far what we've only seen is Tariq pe Tariq as far as this issue is concerned. And we were really hoping something to really move on DK Shivkumar's birthday on the 15th of this month. That hasn't happened. So the question really is that, is there even an intent to, make DK Shivkumar the Deputy Chief Minister? Because signs do not seem to be suggesting this.
Well, Hina, that's a question, of course, that only the Congress High Command would really be able to answer, because all of what we've seen so far has not been us speculating, but merely leaders from within the party itself indicating, or rather putting forth demands for a change of leadership. Of course, very simply put, we'll really have to wait and see. Every time we've questioned the senior leaders who visited the state, whether it's been Mallikarjun Kharge, whether in fact it's been Randeep Singh Surjewala, they've in fact, categorically gone on to say that it's a decision of the High Command, indicating that the Gandhis, of course, would have to make that call. However, of course, with all of the speculation that's been going on within the Congress leaders themselves, it seems like demands have now come forth with K.N. Rajana there saying that he would like to back G. Parameshwara for the Chief Minister, many other MLAs backing DK Shivkumar, many others in fact saying that they would like Siddaramaiah to continue. One thing that's quite clear is the common demand from all of the state leadership of the Congress party is that this confusion be cleared once and for all.
All right. Thank you very much, Neha. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this story. With this, we will slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.